2 Sundays ago, I put out a 3D printing video saying, guess what I'm making, and get a chance at winning what I made. Well, most of you guessed right that it is a little pig. It's a piggy bank. So, use the YouTube random comment picker and pick a winner for this. So let's get to it. Well, there, I pasted in the URL. Let's go down to filter duplicate users. Click on start. Okay. And why is it not working? That's strange. Oh, get YouTube comments, that would help. And Mary Pettifor. Oh, she didn't leave a comment on, just said how kind of you. Okay. She didn't make a guess, so at least on that. So let's pick another winner. Ezra from Easy Diggin' is the winner of the contest. Ezra. My email is in my about page on my channel, so shoot me your address and I'll send you the bank. Y'all have a great day.